welcome back to Love Sundays. Today I've had a delivery and it is the Mavic Mini. Now with a lot of my other videos I've been flying my other drone that I've got, which has been fine, and it's this one here, right? I'm not going to do, the Mavic Mini's been out now for about a year, so I'm not going to do like a full review on it or anything like that. I'm just going to talk about the difference between buying something that costs 100 quid, like this one here, and something that costs 370 quid, like this one here. So, as you would have seen on the other videos, I have crashed this one a lot, and the benefit is, it costs £100, it's taught me how to fly a drone. It doesn't really matter if I crash it too much, but one of the main things that I wasn't overly happy with this one was that there's no gimbal on the camera, so essentially it would be constantly fighting and that would show up in the footage, and also the picture quality was okay, it did the job. Whereas this one here is compact and it has its own gimbal, so it keeps the footage nice and smooth, and it's pretty much the same to fly as that one, probably just a bit better, but we'll see when we take it out in a bit. Another one of the things with this one as well was that I didn't really have anywhere to keep it. It doesn't fold down or anything, it's quite big. I'd have to strap it to the outside of my bag, or if I did put it in the bag, the propellers would get bent and things like that. Whereas this one here, when it's opened, I'd probably say the footprint is still smaller, but when it's folded up, it's literally, you can fit it in the palm of your hand. You could probably put that in your pocket, or just at the bottom of your bag, and the case is fine. So this footage here was taken at Mainporth Beach a few weeks ago on the old drone. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to head out over to there in a bit and make some footage with the new drone, and then we can just see if it's any better. Let's go. Well, I'd say I was happy with that. Picture quality was phenomenal. The stabilization on it is fantastic. I pretty much just had it in cinematic mode, so it was nice and smooth, and it didn't fly too fast. I didn't really push it when I was out there because it was my first flight with this one. I didn't really want to lose it, but yeah, happy with the results. So what I would say to anyone who's looking to get into drone flying, maybe get yourself a cheaper one to begin with, make all your mistakes, do all your crashing, learn actually how to fly it, and then when you're ready, upgrade to a better one which is more expensive, so that you're not technically damaging the more expensive one. But for £370 to £500 for the picture quality of what we just got, I don't think it's worth every penny anyway. So hopefully you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like it, share it, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers and gone.